Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to correctly send a wire transfer in Bank of America. It's very easy to do. For this, first go to Bank of America website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you have to add your own account where you want to transfer your money. Then after logging in, just go to pay and transfer and select wire. Then after selecting it, you will be directed to this page. From here, put a tick mark by selecting I agree, and then fill the form here where is it will go from and where it will be gone, and then select amount, and then your account type, domestic or international, what type is account is it, the first name, last name, street address, city, state, fill up the all details. Then select verify identity. Now you have to put your mobile number, then select add number. Now you have to enter authorization code here, then select submit. And then you will see this message: you have successfully added an account. So to make transfer, go to make transfer here. Now you have to record, fill up the form again, select from, select to, then enter your amount, frequency, then you can give a description. Now select continue, then review everything, then select continue transfer, and then after satisfy of everything, then select make transfer, and that's it. That's how you can make wire transfer correctly in Bank of America.